Dear students, welcome. Today we will solve question number 6. See, in given figure, here A, B, C triangle, and here is A, E, C. Here any point D on BC, then join from A and E. So this one is equal to this one. AB equal AD and AC equal AE, and angle this equal angle this. This is question number 6. So we have given question number 6. First point we will write given in figure AC equal AE, AC equal AE, AB equal AD, AB equal AD, and angle BAD equals angle EAC, and prove that next point, prove that BC equal DE. So see here, this angle equals this angle. If we add this angle, this one, in both the angles, then we will get angle BAC and angle DAE. So proof. We take angle this. Angle BAD is equal angle EAC. Now add angle DAC on the both sides. Angle BAD plus angle DAC equal angle EAC plus angle DAC. Adding angle DAC on the both sides. So this angle will be equal to BAC, or angle BAC will equal angle DAE. So now take the larger triangle. Now in triangle BAC and triangle DAE, this one we have proved BAC and angle DAE are equal. Then side of this triangle AB is equal side of this triangle, this one AD, AB equal AD, and this side AC equal this side AE. Here we will write the region, that one proved above. Here we proved. These are given points. Given. This one is also given. Therefore, the triangle BAC will congruent triangle DAE. triangle DAE by SAS rule. If we put the triangle ABC on the triangle ADE, then all parts will equal to the other angle, and you can say they overlap each other, means all parts will equal. Therefore, the side, this one BC is equal, side BC equal DE, this one side DE by CP. This one is question number 6. Please note down. See next question, question number 7. Question number 7 is, we have given figure point P, the line segment AB, and here join from B. DE, here is point E. This angle equal this angle, and this equals this. So this is the given figure. First point we have to write, given in given figure P is the midpoint. P is the midpoint of AB, and angle BAD equal angle ABE. Angle BAD, this one, BAD equal angle ABE, this one. These are equal. Angle ABE and angle EPA equal angle DPB. Prove that there are two parts. Triangle DAP, first part is triangle DAP congruent triangle EBP, and second one is AD equal BE. AD equal BE. There is no need of any construction. So start the solution verification. First of all, take this angle, these are equal, angle EPA, angle EPA is equal angle DPB, that is given. Now add this angle on both sides, this one. So angle EPA plus angle DPE. DPE is equals angle DPB plus angle DPE. Here we will write adding angle DPE on the both sides. So this will equal to, now if we add this plus this, then this will be APD. APD or DPA, or angle DPA is equal angle, here will be this plus this, EPB. EPB. Now take this triangle DAP. Now in triangle DAP and triangle EBP. Now compare parts of both the triangles. Here is angle DPA. DPA equal angle EPB. This is proved above. Here will be proved above in this step. Next one angle. Now take this angle, this one BAD. BAD is equal angle ABE. That is given in question. Next part, PA equal PB. PA equals PB, because we have given P is the midpoint of AB. It means this equal this. You can write here given or this statement, P is the midpoint of AB. Whatever you like, you can write. Now we have compare all three parts, two angles and one side. Then we know by ASA rule, this one angle, this side and this angle, complete angle, equal this angle plus this complete angle and this side. So the triangle will be congruent. Triangle DAP congruent triangle EBP by angle side angle rule. First part is proved. DAP. Now second part. For second part, if we have congruent angle, then we can see the parts of triangle. We know congruent triangle, if we have congruent angle, then corresponding parts will be equal. Means all side will be equal and all angles will equal to with the other triangle. So we have to prove AD. AD is this side of this triangle and this side of this triangle. AD side of triangle DAP will equal to BE. This is the side of triangle EBP. Both will be equal because we know the property CP/CT for congruent triangle. This one is question number 7. Note it down, please.